If you're among those people that have been complaining that 1st of May, 1st of June is too far for them to cash out their Perita PROT balance, actually 1st of June, because at 1st of May, which is some days from now, nobody would have had $35 to cash out from PROT earnings. So that's to say all task doers on Perita, you have to wait till 1st of June. So if you're among those people that are saying it's too far, you cannot wait, I've got good news for you. Now on Perita, you can convert your PROT earnings to airtime, MTN airtime, Airtel, Glo, 9Mobile, anyone you want. Do you understand? So if you're interested in converting your PROT earnings, your dollars you have in your PROT task balance to airtime, then follow me to my phone screen, when I'll show you how to do it. Before you go that way, if you've not followed me before, please click on this plus sign button here and follow me. Like my video, share to 2, 3, 4, 5 friends. Let's go. All right, good day and greetings to all Peritians all over Africa. Today we want to talk about how to convert your PROT to airtime. So when you scroll down to your page, you see Airtime Bank. You click on it. You understand that Airtime Bank? You just click on it. So I like to load. It's loading. Network is a little bit slow. Okay, that's opened. You see select amount, select a network, then phone number. Select amount. It could be 2 PROT, 4 PROT, or 6 PROT. Select a network. We know the networks we have now: MTN, Airtel, Glo, 9Mobile. So you select one depending on your network. Please don't make any mistake. Try your best. Then let's say we're trying to do PROT first. Then go to phone number. Go to phone number and put in your accurate phone number. Let's just use this phone number as an example. Don't forget, after putting the right phone number, right network, then you click convert. Do you understand? Just click convert, and the airtime, the PROT will be converted to airtime.